Hello and welcome to GT eForms 3.x Functional Fluid Forms for PeopleSoft. If you watched the last videos in the series, you saw me quickly create an award nomination form, add data intelligence, and make a form conditional and dynamic using only configuration. In this video, we'll configure a flexible approval workflow. GT eForms leverages PeopleSoft Approval Framework, or AWE, but we've extended Approval Framework to make it more user configurable. Navigate to GT eForms Setup, then to the Workflow tab. Select a Gideon Taylor Delivered Definition ID, or you can also create your own and use them here. For each of the 3 approval steps, configure who approves at each step and whether a step is conditional. Click the Participation Roster icon to open the Roster Engine. The Roster Engine allows you to easily build a flexible user list. Let's start with everyone in the Department Approver role. However, we don't want a form to go to every department approver in the organization. So using set logic, we can intersect department approvers with people who have department security to this employee. And just in case, let's also include the delegates for those approvers. This narrows it down to approvers with department security and their delegates. Okay, let's configure the other steps. For each of these steps, we'll use a visual if again to route to an approver if the visual if is true. Route to the second approver for awards over 1,000, and the third approver only for awards over 3,000. If the total amount doesn't meet these criteria, step 2 and 3 will be skipped. Now we have a robust workflow and a form that's already interactive. Let's also add a reminder for users if they're requesting an award that's over the normal limits. We'll do that with an action item. An action item acts like a checklist for users before they submit a form. Start on the Action Item tab and configure a message. Make it conditional with a visual if. Then click Save. Let's submit a form with an action item. A user has to check the action item before submitting. Now our results page includes a workflow visualizer, and we can see all the pending steps, including who the approvers are at each pending step. Using GT eForms, you can build powerful, functionally configurable forms that can actually meet business requirements. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video where we extend workflow with eForm notifications.